Hey, how are you? I am going to show you a really cool way to get some different effects on your motifs in Photoshop. So I have this orange flower here that has been digitized, and I'm going to go up to filter and I'm going to go into the filter gallery and make sure that this is centered. Now once you're in here, we've got all of the different filters over here and they are really fun to play around with. Some of them look really good, some of them don't. They just give a bit of a different effect. So this is a watercolor motif. It doesn't always work the best on a watercolor motif. Sometimes it works better on a flat motif maybe that you've drawn in Procreate, but it is really fun to be able to come in and have a play around and get some different effects on your motifs. They're the artistic ones. You can add brush strokes, a brush stroke look, so this works really well on flat designs. You can work with the distort, which gives you a bit more of an abstract look, and make it look sketched, stylized, and there is also different texture options that can be quite fun to play with. So hopefully this gives you some ideas of different ways that you can paint one motif that you're really happy with and then have a play around in Photoshop and see how many different ways you can change it up and use it in your design.